this is the sauce.
Yeah, we are making the peanut butter sauce for fresh spring roll.
That's right. So
Okay.
what's got in here?
So yeah, for ingredient we have like peanut butter. We have a hoisin sauce. We have fish sauce here. Yeah, and we have sugar. Yeah, but before putting hoisin sauce, peanut butter, fish sauce inside, we put oil in, heat the pan up, right? And we put crushed chili and garlic inside and fry them until they are golden and smell nice. And then you turn off the heat, put the peanut butter, hoisin sauce, sugar and fish sauce inside and stir. Yeah.
Smells.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells so good, right? Absolutely amazing.
Okay, so
There we go.
now turn the heat on again. And then later we put water in.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Otherwise, we are Romeo done.